Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this brilliant BMW 3 Series 2-litre 320i M Sport Auto. Now this vehicle is currently on 11,484 miles and it's finished in the colour Petrol blue. If you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting in the front, you do have your extended LED headlights that light up the road extremely well and give the vehicle a very nice modern look. Got your black front grills there. Here to the side you have your 19-inch alloy wheels that are part of the M Sport Plus pack that this vehicle comes with. You do have your indicator integrated into the door mirror as well as your rear privacy glass, give you very nice privacy to the rear. Inside here you'll find your gorgeous Oyster Venasca leather. You do have your ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have a pull-out armrest there in the middle seat with two cup holders. You do have your air conditioning vents with the option here for rear passengers to pick the temperature and the direction of airflow as well. Very nice touch to have for ensuring rear passengers travel comfortably. Heading round to the rear of the vehicle now. You do have a very nice lip spoiler and your 320i badge in there on the tailgate. You can open the tailgate using a button on the key fob which pops it open, providing easy access to the nice and spacious boot. It goes nice and deep into the vehicle. You can fit two suitcases in there nicely. You do have some storage compartments to the sides as well, allowing you to keep the boot nice and organised. You do have some additional storage underneath the boot floor as well, making it very nice and practical, and you've got the rubberised mat there to keep the carpet nice and protected. You have a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. And moving around now, let's go ahead and take a look inside here up front. Now you do have your leather multifunction steering wheel there with the M Sport badging on. Moving around, you have your front seats. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. You even have an armrest there in the middle seat so you can travel comfortably and store things away in there. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this BMW 3 Series has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. Now with the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users, as they do tuck nice and tightly into the vehicle. You do have your full electric windows there with a button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. On the dashboard here, you'll find your automatic headlight buttons, so when set to auto, you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. The vehicle does have automatic wipers as well, which will automatically change speed depending on how heavy the rain is, so you don't have to fiddle around constantly changing. To the right of the steering wheel here, you have some controls for the infotainment system. You can make adjustments to the volume and even change your stations there. You do have your indicator stalk with the trip button at the end that controls the information displayed on your very stylish digital cockpit here. You can flick through different information, change the dials there to the right of the screen. To the left here you do have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're frequently on the motorway. Makes driving much more comfortable. You also have a speed limiter you can set up as well if you wish to use that to maintain a constant speed. Here in the centre you do have your very nice large touchscreen infotainment system. You can also use the spinning dials and buttons here in the centre console to control it. You can access your radio system here. You do have a DAB and FM radio. With your DAB, you do have a nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. And it's very easy to tune your favourite stations into the vehicle there with a list of all different stations available to you. Alternatively, you can connect your own source of audio. You do have USB-C connectivity, along with screen mirroring, Bluetooth audio. You can even access your Spotify if you have a subscription to this. Simply log into the vehicle here. You'll be able to access all of your playlists. You do have your Bluetooth phone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. And it also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls here. You can import your contacts into the vehicle as well. Now the vehicle does have your navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance. You've got the very nice large display that's coloured. You can change the view using the scroller to zoom in and out. Now you have different features here for the vehicle. You can access the vehicle status there to see your service history. You also have some vehicle settings as well. Make adjustments to some of your general vehicle settings. You've got your lighting here you can make adjustments to. You do have your driver assist features. You've got your front collision warning. You can set how early or late this warns you of. Detects potential hazards ahead and can emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You also have your lane departure warning, which will alert you when you're starting to drift out of your lane, so you can correct this and not collide with other road users. You do have your speed assistance here. You can see speed information on the roads ahead. Displays the speed limit of the road by recognising road signs. You also have some of your parking features as well. I'll get onto this later in the video. Though the vehicle does have ambient lighting all throughout the interior, which is a very nice touch to have. Allows you to add a nice little bit of vibrancy to the interior. You can pick from a selection of colours, from bronze, orange and blue, green and lilac. You can see the lighting across the dashboard and into the doors as well. Changing the colours there, you can see it quickly changes. You can adjust the brightness of this as well and even have it dim at night for a more intimate feel when driving. You can access heaps of other features here for the vehicle. Moving on, now you do have your applications. You have some installed apps here and you can even download some from the App Store. You can access all different features there. You have your Spotify, your Ring Go. The vehicle does also come equipped with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which brings a similar interface to your phones onto the system. Allows you to also safely make hands-free phone calls and texts, and you can even use compatible apps such as your music streaming services, even navigation applications and applications such as WhatsApp and Teams. Now the vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera there, giving you added confidence when parking. You also have the added bonus of Park Assist, which can help park the vehicle. You also have your reversing assistance, which will help reverse the vehicle into a space. Automatically steering the vehicle, simply follow the on-screen instructions and don't touch the steering wheel, and the vehicle will guide itself into the space. Below here you do have your dual zone climate control that does allow the driver and passengers to make their own preferred temperature choices and select direction of airflow for their side of the vehicle. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold or having any discomforts with the air conditioning, as you can pick it for your side and not have to worry about anyone else. You can access some of your additional climate control information there on the system. You have buttons for defrost in the front and rear windscreen, and you even have front heated seats with 3 different temperature options so you can keep nice and warm during winter. Below here you do have a storage compartment with 2 cup holders, your USB and a 12-volt socket as well. Your automatic gear selector there in the centre. You also have your driving modes here below with your Sports, Comfort, Eco, Pro. You also have your auto hold feature for your holding the brake. You can see your driving modes there. It changes the dials and it gives you the information there on the display. It's a great way to enhance your driving experience. Thanks for watching this video on the BMW 3 Series 2 litre 320i M Sport Auto. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.